morning, guys. It is a sad day. It is Disney checkout day. We gotta go home. Me and Lucia, yeah, you hear her in the background. She's in the bath. I know. Oh, but we're gonna be back in a couple months. We're coming in September, so we will be back in a couple months for Lucia's birthday. She's not happy. It's gonna be a issue. Anyway, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but we gotta start packing. Our driver's coming to pick us up at 11. It's about 9, so I've got like 2 hours to finish getting ready and pack it up. So I better get going. We got a new baby yesterday. If you didn't watch that vlog, go ahead and watch that right after this, or you could stop this, go back and watch it. We were at Crystal Palace. Lucia got her yesterday, and they were so sweet and like went and got her this because she was wearing a Tiana dress. So Disney's amazing. You're all done? Okay, hold on. Lucia's stuff on one side, Mama's stuff on the other side. Make life so much easier. Alright, this is all of our dirty clothes, so I gotta figure that out. But first, hey, don't lose that. We don't put that there, okay? Do you want to watch your tablet or do something at the table so mommy can go fast? So in New Jersey, we don't have plastic bags, so I always make sure to keep our plastic bags from Target.
Where do you go?
We're gonna go get Mickey waffles, but I need to hurry up, okay?
I need to make home here.
The trouble with doing this with the toddler is like, I'll try to like pack up and then she starts unpacking things, so I'm trying my best. Alright, so this side is pretty much good.
You'll have to find Lion King. Lion King.
Alright, and the hamper just folds up nice like this and fits right in the lunch. I'm actually...
Cool. I like black. I like my palette.
Joffrey's coffee is terrible, but it's free in the room. I normally try to get like a later flight, but she's got school tomorrow, I've got to work tomorrow. So I kind of like compromise. We're doing a 1:30. I like to take like the 4 or 5 o'clock, even sometimes 7 or 8 o'clock at night. But I just think it's just going to be too much for her when she's got school in the morning, and her preschool before daycare, she goes to preschool in the morning, and the last day's Thursday, so she only has a couple days left, so I didn't want her to miss it. So that's why we booked slightly earlier flight today. Alright, what else? I grabbed an extra one of these shopping bags because you can never have enough at home. And I didn't know if I would need extra to carry. We're doing pretty good. I have enough room here for the makeup case and all that. We should be able to go in here and then we should be good. We're gonna take a quick break and get some Mickey waffles. We got a little over an hour, so I got a choppity chop. Oh, go to press 1. It's kind of weird, this elevator setup. It's like they're under construction. No, one. It's like the freight elevator, basically. It looks like when, you know, you're in an apartment and they send you to the freight elevator so they don't like scratch their elevator. That's what this looks like. All right, off we go. Oh, Mama gotta bring my sunglasses out here. All right, so we were in the 50 section. Let me just give you by this real quick. We didn't go to this pool. We went to the main hippie dip pool, it's called. I didn't know if this one was like more of a quiet pool. I don't think so. But yeah, really nice. The 50 section is a great one to request because it's a preferred building here. We were in building number 3. Sorry if it's a little bumpy. So we were in number 3. I think 1 would be good actually too. I don't know if they make 3, I guess, a priority because it is closer to the pool, but 1 isn't bad either. It's right next to the lobby. So these at Pop Century, it's all like themed for the different decades. Oh man, it's always sad leaving Disney. That will be the 60s. We've stayed there before. Oh no, 70? No, probably 60s. We actually had a great room there a couple times actually. I think like twice, where we had a view of the splash pad over there. So this is the hippie dip pool. 60s was a great location because we were like right by the Skyliner, and then also like pool view room. It could be a little bit noisy. I don't really notice it that much. Where we were in the 50s, it was very quiet. So if you don't have kids, or you're like an older couple or something, maybe you like try to request the 50s section.
Mom, look at a butterfly.
I think it's number 60, but yeah, you're right. It kind of looks like a butterfly. That's supposed to be 6 and a 0. Yeah. Pool's not open. I think it opens at 10. I wanted to kind of like go do some swimming before we got picked up, but we're definitely not going to have enough time today.
Mommy, this way.
All right, this way?
Yes.
Look at the hibiscus flowers, so pretty. I love hibiscus. I should have brought the tray from last night back. Meant to do that and I forgot. Okay, so we have pretty much like typical any kind of breakfast you could think of, like Mickey waffles, bacon, pancakes. Then they also have like some pastries over here. And I wanted to check out the desserts too. We're not gonna eat any desserts too early in the morning, but I think this cheesecake is specific for the tie-dye cheesecake. Tie-dye cheesecake is specific for this Pop Century. But yeah, if you're more of like a pastry person, you gotta love it. That. Oh, these are cute. Little Mickey cinnamon bun. Very cute. But we're on a mission for, what are we getting, Lucia? What do you want to eat for breakfast?
Mickey waffle.
Okay, let's go grab it. What do you have like a Mickey waffle, like breakfast for kids?
Mickey waffle?
Yeah.
You can have it.
Okay.
Only bacon on the other side. Yogurt?
Eggs?
I don't want egg.
Okay. And then can I get the avocado breakfast bowl, please? Thank you. So I ended up getting the avocado bowl. It looks very good. Lucia got Mickey waffles, eggs, and bacon. So we're gonna quickly eat this, and then we gotta hurry. Driver's coming in like an hour. Well, I already got the notification that they're on their way. They always show up early, and it stresses me out. Which I know it's good that they do that. But all right, back to packing. So we use this park bag, and we use this diaper bag for the park, for our park bag. So when I did that, I moved everything over to my carry-on bag. So now I gotta like kind of like split everything up. These are all Lucia's toys. So I'm gonna put those back in there. give myself some more room. I always think we need more liquids, and this time I bought a whole pack. So I got a whole pack of Gatorades, and then I bought a whole pack of apple juice, because usually Lucia has the apple juice, and now she didn't want anything, so we pretty much wasted a whole thing of apple juice, so I'm just gonna leave that for them here. But now I know for next time, don't buy the apple juice, and then I'll just buy a Gatorade. It was perfect for our little 3-4 days. We still have 2 left, so I'm gonna bring the 2 for the airport when we get, I guess for the ride there it's about like a half hour or so. So I'm gonna send us with both with another one, and then yeah, we pretty much drank all those at least, which is good because these are the more expensive. I think they were like $7 at Target. I'm like going super fast because I want to have a little bit of time to walk down there, because I'm decided not to call Bell Services because I don't know how busy they are, so I'll save money. I managed to get it all here, so if I could get it here by myself, then it should be okay. We're not walking very far. Alright guys, wish me luck. I don't know. I can see the toddler got into this bag because things are unzipped that were previously zipped. Guys, this is great. Almost there. Just don't break. If it breaks, we're in trouble. I got it. Woo! Yeah! It's it. Okay, you guys, we did it. No room tour, unfortunately, this trip. I didn't have the time to do it, but I do have another Pop Century room tour that we did last year, so I will link that below. Otherwise, I will show you the room number, and this was a great quiet location, and look, we have a view of the Skyliner and the lake. Okay, in case you liked our room, we were in 3323 in the 50 section, building 3, and this was our room view. It was really quiet beside the construction next door. Alright guys, so our flight doesn't leave till 1:30. I left way too much time. I was a little concerned with traffic because so I wasn't sure what to do, but we booked. So we have a 1:30 flight and it is 11:48. We've been sitting outside for a little bit finishing our liquids since you can't bring those through TSA. So we're gonna go check in now. But yeah, I just never know. I don't like to be at the airport too early. You just never know. I've been here all the times where I've been rushing, playing beat my flight. So JetBlue doesn't look that bad actually. So we're gonna go to the kiosk and check in, drop off our bag, and go find our gate. I just honestly never know how to gauge it. Look, we are clear. There's no security line. It's just empty. So you just never know. We could be running late and there'll be a million people here, but clear is always a good option. It's kind of worth it, and they give you a 3-month free trial. All right, we made it through TSA. Not a big deal. We still have like almost an hour before boarding, so One of the great things about flying JetBlue is it's right in sea, and then it's not that busy. It's the brand new terminal. You don't have to worry about taking that little train guy that looks like kind of like a space age monorail thing. So we're like honestly right here. So we have got an hour to kill. Yeah, Orlando is such a beautiful airport compared to Newark. Hey! Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we made it to Newark. Sorry, my toddler has been a little crazy. So we made it this far in the vlog, and we're not already friends. Go ahead and stick around and subscribe. Join all of our little family adventures, and give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.